Hey, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Great. Hey, my dear friend. In my last video, I showed you how I freebit my deposit from. That's cringe. But at the end of the video, we decided something wild. 3 seconds trades are now available on the platform. Yes, 3 seconds. You guys know how much I love 5-second trades. So today we're going wild. Today we're going in immediately. Today's session is an extended with just $10, but really it's 5 because that's all I actually deposit, You see, the minimum deposit to start your trading journey here is just $5. That's it. What is 5 nowadays? What is $5? A purgan? Let's see what we could do with that. $10 on my balance because I used the promo code right here. I used black 5. With that, my 5 got boosted by another 5. Easy peasy. That's 100% deposit bonus, guys, but hurry up. It will figure soon. Ailing. You will find another one. Alright, let's talk strategy. I'll be using a trusted scalping combo perfect for lighting fast trades, but I will just change the settings a bit. EMA 7 and Warrior Band 7 and 2, and as usual just remove this middle line. Dive rate 3 second candles. I'm excited a lot. Well, I removed the middle line and now we only have the perfect combo, and now I can see the market. As usually we will just see the impulses 5 second, 3 second. I don't think it's a big difference, but actually it's a big difference. It's first time for me, it's first time for you. Let's see. What we going to do with these 2 burgers? I'm okay to be on bad, if I will make money from this stand. Player selections is always important. Every man need to find a girlfriend, but he's not, I'll take a ground buzzing, I'll reply soon. Make sure you join the Telegram club and the channel links are in the description. It's more fun there every day. Alright, here's the impulse and here's the first lead. And the bull, okay, minus, but another, 3 seconds, so fast. Turbo scalping, hey, well, but with already in plus. Let's find another impulse. Let's find, whoa, that's farm. That's fun, guys. 3 seconds is fire. I make it so into this. Let's select more pairs. Let's select more pairs. Make show out of this. Okay, I like this impulse. 5 seconds. 3 seconds, I mean. Okay. All the other one, $5. And this is with another win back. Let's back for 7 with back on 20. Let's keep searching now. Let's keep searching. It was dangerous, but we find $20. I'll just remind you that what is like impulse, what I talk a lot. Impulse is when a candle touch the Portugal band. What this one, you see? But we're a bit late. We're a bit late for this impulse. That's why we're going. Yes, here is not touch, but it's working. $7. We will change to 8 now. Now we go in with 8 pair trade. And here, ping. Impulse locket, enter trade, profit secured. Yeah. 11. Now we will start the serious one, the serious game. This is the good impulse, 11. Another one. Wow, yes, 43. Let's do another one. The good chance to make some cash. 11 and 11 minus plus. Wow, it's so fast, but we have 52. Lucky numbers, like 10 is my favorite number, by the way, guys. 10 is my favorite number, bad, so I'm so excited about this second 10th. Yes, 10 wins. Yay, turbo scalping day. Let's go to 15. Let's go to 15. Let's wait for the perfect touch. Let's pick the perfect pair. Wow, guys, serious 3 seconds. It's all much fun, but be careful. Be careful. You can try it, but first and then, yes, another win. A very important one. Yes. With this one, please don't joke. 3 seconds, it's craziest copy. Yes, it's another win. Let's do for 15 more. No. More. Oh, bing, aim. Wow. We're at 110 now, starting from $10, actually from $5 just using promo code Black5. Yes, this is a turbo scalping that deserves more retails. Do you agree with me? Here the results is amazing. I'm ready to do this all week with 3-second couples and fine-tuned my mechanics, use my new strategies. I don't know, it's a new opportunity for me. It's like, well, a long time I didn't be so excited about something new instant for me. Oh, my brain is burning now. I want to do something with this 2 seconds. I will share with you all this experience. I will check different setups. It was the wild session. I was so excited to make so much from $10. By the way, I have a great news, guys. YouTube sometimes limits high intensity content, but I have a great news, guys. Now our channel is an official YouTube partner, and that's all thanks to you. Of course, it's all you. Likes, your comments, your energy. It's great. Thank you so much. Let's keep growing this together. Let's have this the greatest channel. So smash the like button. Again, drop a comment about this 3-second session or something. How do you feel about trading in your life? And text me on Telegram. That's it for today. It was Bait, your friend, your mentor, just a good guy. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.